through how to do a sumo deadlift. So sumo stance in comparison to a normal deadlift stance is much wider, which allows us to target the hamstrings and the glutes a little bit more than in a normal deadlift. So when we're setting up for this kind of deadlift, we want our feet to be pointing outwards. So toes are pointing out, feet are nice and wide. As a general rule of thumb, we want to have them near the little stripes on the bar. However, you need to see what's comfortable for your body. So somewhere outside the hips, a little step wider than your normal deadlift. We're then going to bring that bar nice and close into our legs. Now, because our feet are wide, we actually have to have our hands in a slightly narrower position than we would in a normal deadlift. So, making sure those hands are inside your thighs, so they've got free range of movement throughout the exercise, is super important. So, we're going to bend down and grab onto that bar using our normal hook grip. Once we've set up our position, we're going to try and centre that weight into our heels again. As you can see, my hips are actually a lot lower than they would be in a normal deadlift, where they would be a little bit higher. So you've got to really sit into this one. As with any deadlift, we're pulling our shoulders back, squeezing our armpits in nice and tight and keeping our chest high. We're then going to push through the floor and squeeze our bum to come up to the top. Still pulling that bar into our body, we're keeping the bar close to our legs and sitting back down into the movement.